Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we're going to laser cut some polycarbonate. Now through the years, CNCKing.com has done a lot of custom polycarbonate work. The advantage of polycarbonate is that it's incredibly strong and that it's optically clear. What you'll notice is when we laser cut polycarbonate, it looks like this here. So it looks pretty horrendous. But what this is a protective masking on the front and the back. And once you remove the masking, you end up with something like this here, which is completely clear. There's a little bit of dust on this one, that's why you could see it. But otherwise, if it wasn't for the reflection, you wouldn't even know I was holding something. Now the nice thing about polycarbonate is that we can also color change it using our laser. So our fiber laser can actually do this. This is 1/4 inch. Well, this is 1/32 inch, or roughly what? 1 millimeter, and this is 6 millimeters. So as you can see here, there's some black text on here, and the black text is not ink. What it is our fiber laser actually color changes the plastic and makes it jet black, which is really, really cool. Now you might be wondering why I use the laser for polycarbonate parts, and sometimes I use the router for polycarbonate parts. The main advantage to the CNC router is the thickness, and I don't have the heat buildup. What the laser does is the polycarbonate acts a lot like steel. It's almost like a heat sink. And the more laser work I do on here, the hotter it gets, and this starts to sort of warp a little bit and bellow on me. Now with the router, I don't have that problem. The router just cuts it right through it. Relatively clean finish, as you can see here. And with the laser, it's a little bit hard to see on this one here, but it's a very dark brown to black edge. Now the laser is great for a very thin material because I don't have any contact with the material. What happens sometimes with polycarbonate is that it binds in the bit and then just goes flying off. With the laser, it's a non-contact process, so thin things like this here come out just fantastic. access to both technologies to cut and etch or engrave polycarbonate is a great advantage. Sometimes we actually use both machines for certain applications. So if you have custom polycarbonate parts that you want color changed from, let's say, the medical industry or military, or you want us to cut out small parts for a robotics club or what have you, contact me at CNCRI.com and we'll cut them out and ship them right to your door.